Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Alibaba Cloud Services, complete guide step by step. Begin by signing into your Alibaba Cloud account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the Alibaba Cloud website. Once logged in, navigate to the Alibaba Cloud console. In the console, you'll find various services listed. Choose the service you wish to deploy, such as Elastic Compute Service or Object Storage Service. Click on your chosen service to access its setup page. Select the region where you want to deploy the service. Consider factors like latency and compliance when choosing a region. Next, click on the Create or Deploy button to start the setup process. Specify the configurations for your service. For Elastic Compute Service, this includes instance type, operating system, and network settings. Set up your security group rules to control traffic to your instance. Allocate storage space based on your application's needs. If required, configure additional options such as advanced networking or monitoring. Review all your selected configurations to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, click the Create button to initiate the deployment. Wait for the deployment process to complete. You'll receive a notification once the deployment is finished. Once deployed, navigate to the service to access its management console. From here, you can further configure settings like scaling and load balancing. Test your service to ensure it operates as expected. If you encounter any issues, consult the Alibaba Cloud documentation or support. Finally, monitor the performance and usage of your deployed service regularly. This will help you optimize and manage your resources effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.